Hey, this is Ken for the Information Nation, bringing you more stuff. Yeah, I got more stuff for you. Illinois General Assembly revives recording ban. The Illinois General Assembly just passed a bill that would prevent citizens from recording the police. They're stupid, and here's why. Earlier this year, the Illinois Supreme Court struck down a state eavesdropping law that made it a crime for citizens to record conversations with police or anyone else without the other person's permission. The court held that the old law criminalized a wide range of innocent conduct and violated free speech rights. In particular, the court noted the state could not criminalize recording activities where there is no reasonable expectation of privacy, including citizens' public encounters with police. I'm just beginning to wonder if our politicians are all illegal, because they obviously don't understand English, and they certainly don't understand what the definition of public is. You know, you have an expectation of privacy in your house, even in your automobile. That has gone past the Supreme Court, but not in public. Now, if they can do this, then I think they should be made to take down every damn camera that they got. Because you don't have my permission to record what I'm doing in public. They're dumb enough to cut their own throat. But let me continue here. Now the old law is back with just a few changes in a new bill sent to the governor's desk by the Illinois Senate on December the 4th. The bill not only passed, but it did so overwhelmingly with votes of 106 to 7 in the House and 46-4-1 in the Senate. Now, all of you people that voted, just got done voting in this last election in November, all of your representatives and your senators in the state of Illinois just stuck a finger in your face because they turned around and they're trying to take more of your First Amendment rights. They're trying to take away your privacy. The new version is nearly as bad as the old one. Under the new bill, a citizen could rarely be sure whether recording any given conversation without permission is legal. The bill would make it a felony to serendipitously record any private conversation, which it defines as any oral communication between two or more persons where there is at least one person involved had a reasonable expectation of privacy. You're in public. You have no privacy in public. That's why it's called public. Jeez, what's the matter with these people? Are they that stupid? I guess they are. When does a person you're talking to have a reasonable expectation of privacy? The bill doesn't say. And that's not something an ordinary person can be expected to figure out. The law must be clear enough for citizens to know in advance whether a particular action is a crime. This bill doesn't meet that standard, which should be reason enough for a court to strike it down if it becomes law. But lack of clarity isn't the only problem with this bill. Now, this is coming to a state near you. You can bet on that. Of course, I happen to live in the great communist state of Illinois. But here's the problem. Although it appears to be designed to accommodate the Illinois Supreme Court's ruling striking down the old law, the bill actually is designed to continue to prevent people from recording interactions with police. So, if this bill had been in effect in New York, the people that videotaped what went on in New York would be in jail right now, charged with felony. You think about that. The bill says it would only be a crime to record someone where there is reasonable expectation of privacy, which should mean that recording public encounters with police would not be a crime, and the old law's fatal constitutional flaw would no longer exist. But the bill doesn't really fix the problem. Again, citizens can't be expected to know for sure precisely which situations give rise to an expectation of privacy. You know, they're talking about body cameras for police. Let me scroll down. I'll post a link to this article down below. But the bill also provides an excuse to scuttle body cameras for police. Police may argue that using body cameras to record encounters with citizens outside of public places would violate the law, as citizens have not consented to being recorded. So see, this is another sneaky way for the politicians to get rid of any semblance of body cameras on police. This is a piece of garbage. Oh, and he puts an update on this. He says, we should mention one more thing about this bill. It was introduced on Tuesday, December the 2nd, as an amendment to an existing bill on a completely different subject. The amendment removed all of the bill's previous content and replaced it with a new ban on recording. The House passed it the following day, and the Senate passed it the day after that. So the people who would have cared most about this bill probably didn't notice it in time to object. They might have had their attention focused on other issues that were in the news, such as the recorded police killing of Eric Gardner. Now, the person that recorded that encounter with Eric Gardner and the police, which ended up costing him his life, they would be, if in Illinois right now, charged with a felony if this law passes. You think about these scum-sucking bottom feeders downstate Illinois, and I'm going to tell you something. It's time to kick them all out. We cannot any longer tolerate our freedoms being infringed upon. But hey, that's just my opinion. This has been Ken for the Information Nation, bringing you more stuff. I'm glad you could be here. Hey, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget, you can get email notifications every time we post a video. In the meantime, in between time, ain't we got fun? Never mind. Hey, we'll see you again. Have a great day.